Oh my goodness, are you a little old man? Oh, what a God, he's a mess.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Jasmine, this is heartbreaking.
I could tell that when I first held him and put him in my car, that he knew I was there for him to take care of him.
Oh my God. Look at this little guy. He's whining because he's in a little bit of pain, but they gave him some gabapentin just now, so he's a little bit out of it. But seriously, like, you couldn't bring this dog into a vet or even dump him at the shelter months ago? I rarely ever cry over rescues because I rescue so many severe medical dogs, but this little guy, oh, is obviously in so much distress.
He was extremely matted and he was showing signs of pure neglect. He just looked like he was on his last leg. I just wasn't really sure if he was going to make it. You could tell that this dog had never lived inside and never been on a blanket or on a bed. He didn't know what to do, so he found comfort actually sleeping on the blanket rather than the 3 beds that I had around the blanket.
For your dinner, Sonic? Here you go. Here you go, buddy. Oh, better. So much better, Sonic.
After that, we were able to see him find his comfort walking around.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
He had no reactions to the other dogs, so you could tell that he had obviously lived somewhere where there were dogs. I didn't hear a sound come out of him probably for the first 4 days of having him. So not a whimper, not a bark, nothing. It was about day 6 that he would bark. It was a bark that I just never expected to come out of that little guy.
How you guys doing? No more stinky breath. How great is that? Yay! No more stinky breath.
So when I took him to the dog park, he went up to every big dog at the dog park. No fear of any big dog. We're talking like a 80-pound Bernedoodle that he saw. That made my heart just swell, knowing that he had grown into this confident, strong little dog that felt part of the pack. I had someone reach out to me about a gal who had lost her little Yorkie, and she had one. I actually had Sonic and I had Jazzy, a little senior Yorkie, and she actually wanted to adopt 2 and make a pack of 3. So she came and she met us at the dog park and instantly fell in love, and Sonic fell in love. They were just a perfect little match, and she is the best mom to Sonic. Seeing someone become so excited and happy to have this new little animal in their life, this new little dog that they've been wanting, that is where I get my joy from. So I'm very happy to pass them on into their next life.